asynchronous class, Yumika. This is our nursery asynchronous class, a recorded class video. To start with, today's date is September 19, 2024. So how about let's go do our calendar. Today's date, it is September 19, 2024. So where is our date here? Today is September 19, 2024. So our date is in the calendar, the one that I am circling right now. It is September 19. That's our date today. So if you have your calendar with you in your house there, you can check the date for today. Let me erase this one and let's move on to the next part of our class, and that is to count our numbers from 1 to 10. So how about let's count? I am showing you my fingers up in the air and you can count also with me. Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. 9, and 10. So there are the numbers that we counted 1 to 10. So again, let's go back. Let's check our screen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 1 to 10. So how about for the next part? We're done already counting from 1 to 10. Let's go jump to our lesson. So for today, I'm going to have two lessons with you. One is for our number friend, which we should have done last week, but then we didn't have the schedule for. And we're also going back to our letter K words. So first, let's go do our number two. So here we have our number friend, the number two friend. So I have two fingers up in the air, and just like you, are you doing it with me? That's 1 and 2. And what you see here on our screen, there are things that show number 2. So there's two dots in the 10 frame. 1, 2. When we make our tally marks, there's two sticks. 1, 2. And in our dice, how many dots? There's 1 and 2. And then for our blocks, how many do you see? That's 1 and 2. And we have the big number 2 here. So when we make our number 2, how do we make it? You go around and down and out. The number 2 again. Go around and down and out. Number 2. When we spell for our 2, that's T, W, and an O, the word two. So that's how you spell two. What about for our number two here? Again, the pumpkin is shaped like number two. So you go around, down, and out number two. Imagine it's like a swan in the pond with its long neck. Go down, you go down, and out you go out of the pond number two. So this is number two. And how about I put number two in all our frames here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I drew 10 number 2s in our 10 frame. But how about you go and practice with me? I will let you use your board to trace or maybe write your number 2 there. So here I have my work for number 2 and you get to follow what I write. So how about you get your board? I'll be waiting. If you cannot find it, how about you pause the video, play it once you're done. Are you done? I think you have your board already, and let's try to trace or write our number 2. So on your board, you write 2. I'll trace it on my screen here. So here, number 2, like as one said, go down and out. Like as one said, go down and out. We have our number 2. Number 2. This is how you make your number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Our number 2. The number 2. Number 2. So here we have our number, friend. It is the number 2. Now let me erase the writings on the screen. And I think we're done making for our number 2 here. Let's set our pictures. Let's put it in our 2 here. So let's see what are the things that show 2. Let's check for our frame that has dots here. How many red dots? That's 1 and 2. So this can be for number 2. Let's put it inside our number 2 box. How about for our hand? Does it show 2 fingers out? No, that is a closed hand. That is shown for 0. How many bears? That's 1 and 2. So let's put 2. This is 2. There are 2 bears. How about the fingers? How many are shown here? How many fingers do you see? 1 and 2. So that is 2 also. How many bears do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That is not for 2. That is for 3. How about the dice? How many dots do you see? 1 and 2. This is number 2. There are 2 dots in our dice. And let's check. Is this the word 2? 2 has the letters T, W, O. Is this our word 2? No, it has O-N-E for number 1, not number 2. But how about this one? T-W-O. Yes, that is for the word 2. So here we sorted out our pictures that show 2 and the word 2. Our number, friend, for today, remember, it is the number 2. Let's jump to the next part. And this time, do you still have your board with you, your whiteboard and eraser? We are going to write our words that begin with the letter K because yesterday we had the K sound, letter K. So let's start with our kid. Remember, a kid is a baby goat. How do we write and spell for kid? Let's start with letter K. And you can write it also there in your board to practice. Line down, kick in and kick out. That's lowercase k. That's K in the middle. I, line down, a sprinkle on top. Letter I in the middle, and D, line down, and a donut to the side, letter D. So you have the word kid. Remember, a kid is a baby goat. Okay, another one. We have the pictures of siblings. They are a kin. They're the kin of their mommy and daddy. And just like you with your sibling, you are the kin of mommy and daddy. So let's go to kin. How do we spell it? Line down, kick in and kick out K. And then there's I in the middle and your N, line down and make a hump. That is kin. So here we have the kid and kin. Now, if you're done writing for the 2 words, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let me remove this one. Let's go to the next page. And how about for another K word? We have our kit. So how do we make kit? Line down, kick in and kick out letter K. Your letter I, line down again, a sprinkle. And then letter T, line down, line across. We have the word kit. Kit. The doctor has a kit in his clinic. Inside the kit, you can find the medicine. That's for kit. Okay, next. I am going to write for what picture here? What word do we need to put for this one? The girl kisses the teddy bear. It's our word kiss. So let's write line down, kick in, kick out, that's K. Then there's I in the middle, and then S, and another S to make the word kiss. Kiss. So we have kit, and we also have kiss. Some of our keywords. What about another one? Okay, here we have a name of a person for this boy. And it's a boy name. It's going to be Ken. So let's write capital letter K. Line down. Make a V on the side. Go down. Capital K. In the middle, there's E. Line around and out. And then your N. Line down and make a hump. That's how you write for N. And we did the name Ken. Ken is a boy name. Okay, next, done with Ken. What about for this person? He knows how to kick. He is a karate master. So let's write for lowercase k. Line down, kick in, kick out. Okay, there is a correction for this one. Um, Sorry, let me erase it. The letter K here, it should be lowercase, but we have to fix it. I thought it was the box, but it's okay. So we have our kick K, I, and then letter C around and stop. Your letter K line down, kick in and kick out. We have the word kick. So let's go back. We have Ken, and we have the word cake. So those are some of our keywords that we have on the screen and what you also practice there on your board. Now, if you are not yet done writing, pause the video. Play it once you're done. Are you done? I am going to erase the writings and we'll be moving on to the next part of our class. So how about for this one? Let's make our sentence for the kid. So let's spell it out right. We have this is my kid. So we already scrambled it and we made it into the right sentence. So we have our kid. This is my kid. Oops, sorry. Let me fix that one so that you can see the screen. Here. This is my kid. So we have the sentence for the kid. Next one. How about for this? We have, let me move my picture here. We have this is my kin. So we have our kin. See, you are the kin of your mommy and your daddy. Kin. K-I-N, kin. Kin. Okay, next one. What about, let's go do the next set. We have our kit. Let's make our sentence for the kit. We have this is my kit. So we have our kit. Remember, we put our bandages, our medicine, the syringe inside a kit. That's kit. Another one, let's make the sentence for the king. So here we have this is my king. We have our sentence for the king. This is my king. Okay, another one. What's our next one? Let's do our sentence for the kite. This is my kite. So our sentence, this is my kite. Okay, done with this one for our jumbled sentence. Now, how about let's do our work? So, I want you to go to this page. We'll read, match, and write for your keywords. Now, if you're there, let's continue working. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be moving on and writing for the numbers here on the screen for each box because we need to match our keywords to the picture, and you also need to match it in the right box as well. Our first word, we have the word Ken, or the name Ken, capital Ken. Where can we match the name Ken? In what picture? This one. Let's make a line. And now, where can Ken fit? What box should we put Ken in? Will it be in number 1 or will it be in number 3? Where do you think should it fit? It should fit in number 3. So let's make capital K, line down. V on the side, capital E. Line around and out for E and N. Line down and make a hump. That's the name Ken. Make a line also for your Ken. Okay, let's jump to another one. We're done with Ken. How about let's move on to the next word? And this one is K-I-N. K-I-N. K, kin. Let's make a line for kin. You are the kin of mommy and daddy. Kin is in this picture. Where can we fit kin? Can we put it in 4 or in 5? Where should it go? It should be in number 4. So let's write for kin here. 4? Oops, sorry. I think it's wrong. You got it right. It's not in number 4. But it should be in number where? In number 5. It fits in 5, not in 4. So here I have to write K, I, and letter N for the word kin. Let's match also kin. Okay, next. Our word here, a baby goat, is called a kid. K-I-D, kid. Let's make a line for the kid. This is kid. Now, where can we fit kid? In what number should it go? In number 2 or in number 4? I think 2 is big for letters K and D in this box in number 2. But can we put it in number 4? Oop, wait. Let's check. I think it should really go in 2 because number 4, this box at the end, that is still too small. So we'll have to go in number 2. So let's spell it out. K, I, and letter D. That should be for our kid. This is the box for kid. Let's go and do this word. K-I-N-G. That's a long one. It has 4 letters. K-I-N-G. Can we put it here in number 6? Yes, that's the box for king. So let's make a line first for king, the picture. That is king, the one that is the partner of our queen. And what about for the box for king? K-I-N-G. Let's write K-I-N, and the letter G, king. Let's make a line. This should go here. Make a line for king. Okay, next one. K-I-S-S. K-I-S-S. That is kiss. Let's match the picture to kiss. The picture is this one. Now, where can kiss go? It has 4 letters. The last box that has 4 letters is in this one, number 1. So let's write K, I, S, and S. Kiss. Let's make a line. This is our box for kiss. Now, the last one, K-I-T. K-I-T. It is the word kip or kit. It is kit. Make a line for kit. And where does kit go? In what box? K, I, and the letter T, that is kit. And let's make a line for our box, kit. So we found all our words that begin with K. We match them to the right picture. Now, this one, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done with the work? I'll be moving on to the next page. I'll clear this one, erase it. And let's go to our build a sentence. Let's read our sentence. Our sentence, this is my kid. Now, if you're not yet done writing for your name and cutting for the word, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I will go back to the work here and it says here, this is my kid. What about for our words? Let's start with the word. This is my kid. And when I write, I start with the blue part going down. Capital T, that's the first letter of your word. T, H, I, S. Remember, lowercase letters like I and S, the ones that are very small, put it under the broken line. This is my kid. Line down, kick in, kick out. I and letter D. So here, end sentence with a period. This is my kid. I'm going to also color for my picture. So here, I have the kid. The baby goat is a kid. You can choose any color that you like for coloring your pictures, Yumika, but I have red for my screen work here. Now, I'm done already with the sentence, this is my kid. How about I erase? I'm done with this one. Let's jump to another one. What's the next one? Let's see. Our next sentence is about the kin. So let's read our sentence. We have, this is my kin. You are the kin of mommy and daddy. Kin. So how about for your words? Let's space it. We have, this is my kin. This is my kin. And let's write for the sentence, line down and make the top of your T, like the hat. This, T-H-I-S. This is my kin. K-I-N. And you have to also color for the picture at the bottom. Remember, if teacher is too fast in this work, you can pause the video, play it once you are done, okay? So I have here the picture of kin. Can I move to the next page? I'll erase this one. And let's go to our kit. Let's read the sentence. We have, this is my kit. Now for our words, we need to paste it. This is my kit. That's the kit. Let's write the sentence. This, capital T, line down, make the hat. T-H-I-S. This is my kit. K, I, and the letter T. And sentence with a period. Now, I want you to color for your kit. If you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, play it again once you're done. So I have here the picture of the kit. Remember, you get to put the injection, the bandages, and medicine in a kit. Let's erase if you're done because I'll be moving on to the next page. Done with the sentence for kit. Let's go do the sentence for the king. So let's read this one, our sentence. This is my king. So we have our king and let's paste the sentence. This is my king. And let's write. What are the words in your sentence? Let's do this. Capital T. Line down. At the top to close it. T-H-I-N-S. This is I-N-S. Is my M-Y. And king. K-I-N. And the letter G, and sentence with a period, king. This is my king. Let's color for your king. So this is our picture and sentence for the king. I'll move to the next work. I'll erase this one. Let me jump to the next page. Now let's make a sentence for our kite. Let's read this one. We have, this is my kite. We have our sentence for the kite. And let's do our cutouts and paste them. This is my kite. Let's write the sentence also. We have this. T-H-I-S. This is. I-N-S. My. M and Y. And your kite. K, I, T, and the letter E. Kite. And sentence with a period. And don't forget, you can use any color that you like. Color for your picture. I am coloring for the kite. So I already made my sentence for the kite. This is my kite. If you're not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let me erase for our work on the K sentences because for the next one, we'll be doing your hat. So if you have the hat crown, you need to color for your pictures. You need to trace for your letter K, the ones for the strip, to put it at the back to let you wear your crown, and trace the letter K in the crown as well. So let's color on the screen here. We have our goat, or the baby goat is called a kid. We have our kite, and we also have our koala. They all begin with K. What about for the letters? Remember, try to trace them inside the shadow. Follow your letter K. Try to make it look neat and nice, just like when you color as well. You need to follow tracing so that you can also remember how to write it and how to do it properly. So remember, capital K and then lowercase k. Capital K, a V in the air in the side, and a lowercase k kick in and out. So let's continue tracing. You have your letter K. Now remember your pictures, you need to cut them also. The ones that you colored for this one, it goes in the gems of your crown. And it says here, I know the letter. What letter, friend, did we do for today? It is the letter K. So line down, V on the side. Line down, kick in, kick out. There's capital and lowercase letter K. Now, if you're done with this one, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll move on to the next part. We did already our letter K, but now you need to do your work for the number sense number 2. Last time we weren't able to do this one because of the absences that you accumulated. So you were absent last week, Yumika, and we had to insert this lesson for today. So before you had your numbers 0 and 1. After 1, our number friend will be number 2. So here, for your work, you better trace your name first. Trace for the number 2 like this, the number 2, and the word 2, TWO. And you can trace for the number 2, big number 2. And you can also trace at the bottom for number 2. You can use any marker that you like, but I suggest only one marker, not rainbow, okay? So our number friend for today's lesson as well is the number 2. And I'm showing you 2 fingers up in the air. That's 1 and 2. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Are you done with this one? I'll move to the next page. I'll erase this one and I'll jump to tracing number 2. Again, tracing to number 2 and the letters in 2, that's T, W, and O, the word 2. Now, it says in the instruction you have to color 2 penguins. You only need 2, so let's color and count. 1 and 2. So that's already 2 penguins. Now, the instruction tells you to color the twos blue. We need to fix our crayon and use the color blue. And let's find our twos in the frame. So we have 1. Let's color it. Color the box as well. Try to make it look neat and nice. This is 2. We found 2. Another one, there's some more. 3. Next one, this is 4. And we have 5. So we found 5 number 2s. That's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 number 2s. Now, we're done with this page, but if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll erase this one and I'll jump to the next work. How about we trace for our number 2? How do we write our number 2? Around and back on the railroad track, 2 to the number 2. Around and back on the railroad track, that's 2, 2, 2, and 2, number 2. So you have to trace for your number 2 on your work there. We have all our number 2s. Try to not go out of the line. Finish your number 2 work. Continue if you're the same as me, almost there at the end. Remember, our number friend is the number 2. There you go. Our number friend is 2. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll erase this one. And let's continue tracing for number 2. 2 to the number 2. 2 to number 2. So just like what I am doing here, you have to make the swan's head go down and out of the pond. Swan's head, go down, up. Check if you have it out. The number 2. So see, you don't need to be very fast to finish the work. Walk, you have number 2, so you have to check 2 to number 2. We're almost done doing the number 2. Let's trace some more. Number 2. Almost there. And last one. So we have all our number 2s. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. I'll erase this one. Done already with our number 2. Let's jump to this one. We better trace for number 2 as one's neck. You go down and out of the pond. 2. Spell out for 2 T, W, and O. That's the word 2. Trace number 2 as one's head out, down and out. Swan's head down and out. As one's head down and out. As one's head down and out. So let's do your number 2. Trace all the number 2. What about for writing 2? Again, swan's head down and out. Swan's head down and out. Swan's head down and out. Let's do your squares. How do we make our squares? Line down, line to the right, go up, and then you close it. Then another one, you need 2 squares. Line down, you slide, go up, and you close it. That's 2 squares. So how many? Let's mark and count. 1 and 2. Let's erase this one on the screen. And let's move to this work. We are going to trace the number 2, trace 2, and trace the word 2, T, W, and O, the word 2. Now let's write the word. We have it here on the screen also at the top. T, W, and O. That's the number 2. Write the digit. How many? It's 2. Let's go color our penguins. Our penguins need help coloring. We need 2 only. So we have 1 and 2. That's the number 2. Okay, the next one. We get to draw 2 in the 10 frame. So there are 10 frames. Let's fill it up with 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is 10. And you did 10 number 2s in the frame. Let's erase this one. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Okay, I think we're done with this one. We're going to do your number book, number 2. Don't forget to write your name, and you'll need to practice tracing and trying to read and match on your own, okay? So let me erase this one. We have our number 2 booklet. If you're done writing for your name, good job. But if you're not yet done, you pause and do it. Then you go back again to finish this work. So how do we trace for 2? Remember, as one's head, down and out. Down and out of the pond. Continue. We have your number 2. Next, what about for T? T, your W. And letter O, that is 2. Again, so let's spell it out. T, W, and O. T. Oops, sorry. There's something wrong with my screen. I accidentally put it there. W and O. Again, T, W, and O. Again, T, W, and O. Our word is the word 2, the number word 2. Don't forget to trace this one. Go down like as one's head. Go down and out. Number 2. Let's erase this one. We're done with our work for number 2. Now, let's go do our matching. We're going to read our sentence. I see one oven. There's only one. Make a line. This is our one oven. Next, I see 2 eggs. The eggs did not hatch yet. The eggs are in the nest. Next, I see the number 2. Where's number 2? This is number 2. Let me erase and let's check. You need to dab for all the number 2's. So let's see. Let's get the crayon. Or for your case, Yumika, you get to use your dabber to dab. So we have 2. Let's help the boy find all the 2's so that he can go back to the end. Number 2. Okay, so how about for our maze? We found all the number 2's that we need. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's jump to the next part. We're almost done with the work. Don't worry, Yumika. We're almost down to the last few pages. Let's sort our pictures. Now, if you haven't cut this one yet from your booklet, you will need to. I will pause the video, play it again once you are done. Are you done already? Let's show and check if the picture has 2 items or if it shows 2. So let's check the blueberries. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. That's not number 2. The ornaments. 1, 2, 3. Not also 2. That is 3. The car. Does it have 2? Yes. Let's put it here. There is only one book. We don't need that. How many mittens? 1, 2. We need this. How many bells do you see? 1 and 2. That is correct. See what happened to this one. I think this should show up. Let me fix it. Okay, here we have our bell. There's 2 of them. How about the prize here? No, that is for first place. That's not 2. How about the deck of cards? Yes, that is 2. And the gloves, when you clean, you will need 2 gloves. So this one too. So we have number 2 for the card, for this Uno card, for the mittens, for your bell, and for the gloves. If you're done with that page, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. Okay, I told you it was almost done. We have the last page of our number set. You get to match if it's not 2, if it doesn't show 2, or does not show 2. How many frames do we have? 1 and 2. There's only one, but how many are inside? It is two. So let's space. How many candles? One, two, three. Three also. How many fingers? One, two, three, four, and five. How many dots in the dice? One and two. How many for your dice? One, two, three. And I think this one, it's not centavo but a US coin. I'm not sure what's the value of it, but it doesn't show number 2. Oops, sorry. This one, there's something wrong with teacher's screen. Okay, there's something wrong with it. Let me go back. Okay, here. This one only shows how many fingers. Only one. So let's exchange. This one is the coins that has two pieces, two coins. But this one is showing one finger. So that one is one. So let's go back. This is two. The two coins show two. And there is a dot inside the domino. If you're done with all the work for today, your number two work, and also for your sentences from the AdWords, good job for you. Because for today, I'll be giving you your sticker, friend, and you get to have this one, Yumika. I will end the class here already. And I hope that you did your work following this video. I will see you again on our next class. Bye bye.